In the 2002, this was happened. Just I completed my BTech. I got some 96 score in the gate. I want to go for IIT. I want to rewrite again. I want to write again for the gate exam. So I want to stay in Vijayawada. At Bay Circle, there is one training center is there, coaching center is there for the gate. I want to do. I want to do the job also because my financial situation is not up to the mark. Then I went to KLCE. Now it became KLU. Earlier KLCE, Pune Lakshmi College of Engineering, which is there at Vijayawada. With my resume, there is a person is there named with KRR IT department. 2002 story. 24 years before story I'm sharing with you. Then, sir, is there any job opportunity? I want to join here as a lecturer. This is my resume. Like, where you studied your BTech? I studied my BTech in Markapur. In the state, the best engineering college is the KLCE. Intake, number of admissions, best. The worst engineering college is where I studied. Believe me, at that time, where I studied, that is the worst engineering college in Andhra. Andhra, Telangana, that is the worst where I studied. But from that background, I'm trying to apply for the best engineering college. Then he saw from top to bottom. He used one word, man. He used one word. ఆ కాలేజీలో చదివి మా పిల్లలకు నువ్వేం చదువు చెబుతావు? You studied there. How you can teach to our best students? This is the best engineering college. Like, sir, I want to stay in Vijayawada. I can fulfill my requirement like I told. No, not in a position to listen. Okay? Okay. Like I came back. Then I met the HOD, IT HOD, KRR, IT department HOD. Then what I did is, who is the principal of this, like Dr. LSS Reddy? And the Corona time he expired. It's an excellent gentleman. Through some person, I approached the principal. I went to, on one Sunday afternoon, I went to principal house. Through some person. Then I told, sir, just my exact words, I remembered well. Sir, my BTech percentage is 87%. My gate score is 96%, 96 percentile. I have 4 offers in my hand. One is RVR and JC. The second one is Cherala Engineering College. Next, there is one college in Chilakalurupeta. Like, there are 4 offers are there in my hand. But my goal is, I want to stay in Vijayawada only. Definitely, I can fulfill your requirement. If you are not going to give the job to me, best faculty, best. So lecturer, you are going to miss, sir, like I used the word. How confident, man. Really, how confident. Then I don't know how my words are going to work. I don't know. Okay. Then immediately he asked me, come to entry. Then I went there. Then I got the chance to work there. Definitely, if you are not going to give the opportunity, you are going to miss one best faculty, sir. Best faculty, like I used the word. Maybe what makes me to impress that person, like I don't know. By seeing all those marks, all those things, then immediately, yes, I give the opportunity. The very unfortunate thing is, I joined in the same branch only, IT branch only, under the KRR only. You only use it, right? Then at last, almost 1 year I was there. Both are going to the same department, same second year, 2-1. Both. He is taking data structure, C and data structures. I'm taking digital logic design. Being HOD, he had a number of assignments. Meetings will be there, meeting with the principal, meeting with the chairman, like he had. Every time he's going to ask, Durga, can you adjust my class? Okay, his class I require to take. Durga, can you adjust my class? Why not? Why not? Someday out of 8 hours, 4 hours I took the same. For the same batch, 4 hours I took the session. 4 periods I took the session. Then he asked me one time, Durga, whenever I'm asking, can you adjust my class, like every time you are telling I can take the session, you never told at least one time no. How many classes you prepared in advance? Like he asked me. That subject I completed already. So if I start, then today only I can complete that complete subject is there in my mind, sir. I can handle like do you know, by first mid exam will be there. by first mid exam only my complete syllabus completed. My syllabus completed because every day I'm taking 2 sessions, 3 sessions, 4 sessions, right? Syllabus got completed. Next, highest pass percentage in that batch for my subject. Then they took the feedback. Feedback system is there. Excellent feedback throughout the college. Then the same person called me, Durga, don't tell outside. I mean, because some people feedback is some people less, some people much. You got wonderful feedback. Keep it up like. Just observe that within 1 year, there's a big difference is there by default. Okay, what here just observe that. Don't focus. What they requirement. Okay, like morning at 9 is the college. I will go to the college at 6 o'clock only. I will study 3 hours in the library and then I will go to the session. Next evening at 3:30, college is going to be happen. Until 7 or 8 o'clock, I was there in the library and then I can come back. So what their requirement, we require to identify, we require to fulfill. It's going to work out like anything. Always think about opposite. What they require, what I have with the secondary. Definitely, I can fulfill your requirement. Definitely. Okay. So they require best subject. Okay, like that. Then obviously I can. So getting my point right? Yes, here have you observed right? Barbara Anderson's letter. How she wrote? Your expectation is growth and profits. Your expectation is business. I'm here to do the same. I'm the expert in that area. Okay, like out of 12 banks, she applied for 12 banks, 11 banks called for the interview. That's what you people should be aware. So don't think about I, myself, my me. Always think about you, opposite person.